Okay, so we're given a pie chart here and we're asked for what fraction of the students answered hockey. So what you need to do is you need to measure this angle here, okay? And for the fraction then, it'll be whatever this angle is out of 360, because, of course, all the way around, complete circle, all these angles will add up to 360. So just measure it with my protractor. And when you measure with the protractor, put the origin at the center, okay? And you make sure you line up then the 0 line. And then we'll start measuring. Now, because, right, 0 is on the inside, if you notice here, we're going to use the inside scale, okay? So we always start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, and it's, the line is there, isn't it, between 40 and 50, so it'll be 45 degrees. So the fraction will be 45 out of 360, okay? That's the fraction that choose hockey. Now, it does say, give your answer in its simplest terms. So to get the full marks, we need to simplify this fraction. And because it's a calculator paper, we can use our Casio calculator to work this out. So all you do is, you press the fraction button here, press 45 over then 360, and press the equals button, okay, and it comes out then as 1/8, so simplifies it for us, okay. And then it says, how many of the students answered football? Well, again, we need to look at what sort of fraction choose football here, so we need to measure this angle, okay. So when I measure this angle, it's up to you. You could, if you find it easy, you could turn the page around, whichever you find easier, and we could see there when I sort of centered it up there, and the 0 line, okay, 0 this time is on the outside, so count around 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120 degrees, okay, so the angle is 120 degrees. Now in terms of the fraction then, that will be 120 divided by 360. Let's see what that simplifies to be, okay, so if I press fraction button again, 120 down 360, press equals, comes out as 1/3. Okay, so 1/3 of the students chose football, and you kind of see when you look at that it does look like 1/3 of the circle, doesn't it? So when we have that fraction there, we can literally say 1/3 chose or answered football. Now 1/3 of what? And that's what you need to be asking now, because it does say how many of the students. If you go to the top, you can see 144 students. So to work out how many choose football, you need to calculate 1/3 of 144. Okay, and to do that is easy. Remember, 1/3 just means divide by 3. Okay, so we can do that on our calculator. Okay, and we get out our answer to be 48. Okay.